Hello. I just I just wanted to create a video. Uh, since since this year's about to end, it's like what, 2 more days till New Year. It's crazy. And I just wanted to talk about um how this year went for me. I think one of the highest point in this year was doing the marathon. I Yeah, it was crazy. Doing the marathon, everybody cheering you up and stuff. And just, I thought I wasn't gonna be, I don't know, cause I thought I still remember, I'm like, oh yeah, this is another thing, any ordinary day. But looking back, it's truly not. It's like, I just look back and I'm like, well, how the fuck did I just did that? You know? I mean, that's a problem I have with myself, is I don't let myself get excited. I don't know. Damn. And then the lowest point was having this fucking going to school, or and then going to school, or like, I don't know. That going to school, it's like I still can't wrap my head around it. It's, since quarantine happened, and then I used to be in middle school. I was supposed to graduate, but then it happened online. It happened online, and then I went to high school, and then totally different people. They know each other and shit. It's fucking, you know. It's basically everybody knows each other except me. And I don't know. I feel like they're whack as fuck. Okay, I guess. I'm not trying to. I don't know. Yeah. I mean, also then just learning health and fitness, and then also like creating my own program, fitness program, whatever. Yeah. Well, that's basically my year, and then just getting to know myself throughout this whole quarantine and stuff. Just crazy. And then I just realized that, I mean, I need to be filming myself to actually like acknowledge all of the things that I've done, because I feel like if I don't see myself doing that, I feel like I didn't accomplish anything. It's like, I feel like it's a dream unless I have something, unless I have a video of me showing it doing it, or actually have like something like the medals that I got from doing the marathon. It reminds me, oh yeah, I actually did it. It wasn't in my head, I think that's it. Yeah, I think that's it. And then also just wanting to create YouTube channel and all this stuff. Well, so yeah. I'm doing this in the class because I don't want them to know. Alright, see ya. And also, And also, I'm gonna pass you my 2022. I'm gonna present. I'm gonna pass you my 2022 year old me, or 2022 version of me. Oh my god. I am so fucking happy. No way. No way. Unboxing Raw Optics. Okay. Doesn't matter. Raw Optics, bro. Oh, no way. Away from me. Oh. Dude.